These are crazy, bruh. Crazy. I finally got them. I finally got them. What's going on, YouTube? This your boy DeVintage, back here with another video, man. Today, y'all read the title, man. We got some early sneakers in. Y'all already know they are, the Black Infrared 6s, 2019 edition. Like I said, I wanted to go back and get the 2014 pair, but the deal didn't follow through. But hey, I got the new pair 2019. How can you go wrong with that? So I'm bringing you guys with that review and on feet today. It's snowy outside, so I'm gonna have to bring the on feet inside, which I rarely do. I maybe did that maybe 2 times out of all the videos I've done on YouTube. So I'm sorry. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know we're on the ground at 20,000 subscribers. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. As always, man, and every video, man, become a loyal subscriber to the Vintage Gang, and we're gonna keep dropping them bangers, we're gonna keep dropping them reviews, some how-tos, all that for you guys. So let's get right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, as y'all know, I'm in Germany, and this is how it comes. Y'all know in the States, they have the big Nike swoosh that's in black, but over here in Germany, they have it like this. As you can check it out, it says pull for freshness. So I guess this is where you open the box. But I just wanted y'all to see the check right here, Nike swoosh. And there's nothing else. Oh, it's a swoosh over here. So over here in Germany, they own the shits too. Nike with the shits too, with putting like the information and stuff like that. And then at the bottom of the box, like I think anybody can get. No, it's glued down here. I thought that you can just peel it open and anybody can just take your shoes out and just put the box back in there, but they didn't. It's kind of like glued or whatever. But back to the topic. So I can't complain. I can complain. But I don't think a lot of people where I live at right now is worried about a Nike swoosh box. But you never know. People might be in hard times, dire needs, and steal some sneakers. You can get your package stole wherever you live at. So let's get into sneakers. Oh, right here. Slow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Them boys ain't playing no games. Peel it open. DHL receipt. Come with this bubble wrap right here. Probably pop that later. My childish-ish. And yeah, here we go. Here we go. And let this be known, this is my first time seeing this pair in person. This is my first time having them in hand, and this is my first time having these in the collection in general. It's crazy, bro. Like, I feel like I'm doing better, man. I feel like I'm doing better copping those grails and stuff like that. And yeah, let's read the tag real quick. It says Black Infrared, size 9, Air Jordan 6 Retro. And yeah, as y'all know, overseas they do not come with a retail sticker. Check it out, blam blam, just like that. Y'all know how the Air Jordan 6 box come. Let's peel it open. Let's peel it open. Bill. Oh my God! Here we go. Things smelling good too. They smelling good. Here you go, Air Jordan 6. Black Infrared 6s. Check them out. Oh my God. These are crazy, bruh. Crazy. I finally got them. I finally got them. Here you have it. That Nike Air on the ass, on the booty, whatever Mike Rich call it. These are sick. Let me pull the other one out. All right, here you have it. The other Air Jordan 6 Infrared. And the review about to be very quick for y'all. It's gonna be very quick, very straight to the point. They smell really good. That's the first thing for the review. They smell good. Keep on doing that Jordan brand with y'all smells, stuff like that. But I'm gonna leave the whole smell test approved over there on the Retro WizKid channel. But I'm pretty sure he gonna smell test approve these things because they smell really good. But you got an all black nubuck upper, like a light suede nubuck, whatever you want to call it, all around the upper toe box, everywhere. And on these right here with the holes right here, the 3M, you can kind of see it right now. I can tell on the screen. You can see the 3M inside of the shoe. They have it right here and all up here on the heel. Moving around to the front of the tongue, you have that black and red padding for your tongue, holding down the laces, kind of like a lace lock. But you got the actual lace lock up here, which is like an infrared. It's kind of looking pinkish like I seen on the past Air Jordan 6 2014 pair. It was like more pink than red. But this one right here kind of looks the same. But I do know, like watching videos, that this is darker than the 2014 pair, which I really like. It's like a true red, so check that out. You got the Jordan up here. Let me peel this thing all over, man. Get the laces out real quick for y'all. I'm gonna throw these straight to the foot, man. Straight to the foot. On the tongue right here, as you can see. I'm gonna hit you guys with B-roll so y'all can see like more up close, more detailed, or details on the sneaker, so I'm just not like throwing them in your face like that. I want y'all to see the whole aspect of the shoe before y'all cop them. Inside the shoe, you have the regular cardboard box. You already know Jordan Brand giving us nothing special, even though we paying $10 over retail. And then you have inside Nike Air. Check it out on the tongue. See, I can see that. Check it out, Nike Air in there. On the heel, this is what I feel like Jordan Brand has moved the price up to $200 on the sneaker, and you have the Nike Air. I don't know if that is true, don't quote me on that, but you already know, like usually when we get like Nike Air or something different on a sneaker, they raise the price. As you know, with the True Blue 3s, they raised the price to $220. That was around Black Friday. Maybe that was like a marketing scheme. Maybe that was like they can make more money around that time because of Black Friday. As well as the Black Cement 3s, they retail for $200. So maybe it's a Nike Air, maybe it's just, I don't know, marketing, because y'all know Black Cement 3s dropped around the same time last year. And hey, it is what it is. Infrared on the midsole with the icy blue on the side. See a little AirPods in there. Down here you have red on the midsole as well with the icy bottoms. Black toe box, you already know. Little hit of infrared right here. Infrared, icy blue, icy blue. And on the bottom, you have my favorite part of sneakers. I don't know why, but the icy blue is just so dope to me. And I like how they threw it on this Air Jordan 6, man. So check it out. Infrared Jumpman, icy blue sole, with the rest being black. Also on the heel, you have like the little spoiler right here, and there's a nice red. Like I said, it's not more of the pinkish side like you can see on like the comparison videos, but it's like a true red. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. Maybe I'll check it out when I'm editing the video, but it is a true red besides this lace lock. Got the Nike right there and the Jumpman right there. You already know how it's gonna come. That is it from our review over the black infrared 6s. One of the most anticipated sneakers to release this year, and one of my most anticipated sneakers to cop in my collection. So it's pretty much a grill. Now it's a grill. Check it off the list. I'm glad I copped it. I finally have them. Now I'm about to throw them on feet. Before I let y'all go, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. We're gonna get every video up to 100 likes. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Bring y'all a lot of content, different stuff, different than what you might see on a regular sneaker YouTube channel. So y'all go ahead and subscribe. Ring notification bell so you never miss another video. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below, and I'm gonna tag it right here for y'all. So y'all go follow me over there. And with all that being said, you guys enjoy this on feet, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.